AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 4.9b. Describe the process of tissue culture and its advantages in medical research and plant breeding programs. This is a biology-only specification point. To successfully answer any GCSE questions linked to this topic, you will need to know the steps to making tissue cultures and also the advantages and disadvantages of tissue cultures. What is cloning? Offspring, which have been produced by asexual reproduction, are genetically identical to the parent and each other. They are called clones. Animal and plant cells are often cloned because they possess a characteristic which is desirable, such as resistance to disease. Tissue culture is one method of cloning plants. Tissue culture is the process of growing cells, tissues, or whole plants in a nutrient-rich medium, under sterile conditions. It is often used to clone plants or study cell behavior in medicine. Tissue cultures are also used to preserve rare plant species and is used commercially in plant nurseries. How does it work? Step 1. Cells or tissues are extracted from the parent plant. Step 2. The sample is placed in a nutrient medium containing sugars, minerals and hormones to promote growth. Step 3. Cells develop into tiny plantlets. Step 4. The plantlets are transferred to conditions suitable for further growth or testing. For example, they are grown in compost. As tissue cultures are clones, the advantages and disadvantages will be similar to the advantages and disadvantages of asexual reproduction. The following are advantages of tissue cultures. It produces plants faster than sexual reproduction. It produces genetically identical clones, which ensures that the desired characteristics are maintained. And it allows cultivation of rare or endangered plants. The following are disadvantages of tissue cultures. Identical organisms are less adaptable to change. And a reduced gene pool increases vulnerability to diseases and environmental changes. Let's apply what we have learnt to this past paper question. This 2-mark question is asking us for the advantages of using tissue cultures. We know the following from our learning. The following are advantages of tissue cultures. It produces plants faster than sexual reproduction. It produces genetically identical clones, which ensures that the desired characteristics are maintained. And it allows cultivation of rare or endangered plants. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have achieved marks for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th bullet points. So we would have got full marks. Well done. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.